Welcome, dear listeners, to another intriguing episode of The Infinite Equation, the podcast where we delve into the fascinating intersections of logic, philosophy, and of course, mathematics. I'm your host, and today we will embark on a thought provoking journey into the enigmatic realm of the Cretan paradox. Imagine a statement that involves a web of paradoxes, challenging both mathematical foundations and philosophical contemplations. This is exactly what the Cretan paradox does, a puzzle that led us to question the very nature of truth, logic, and the complexities of human thought. Join us as we navigate the labyrinth corridors of the Cretan paradox, exploring its implications in both mathematical and philosophical landscapes. Together, let's embark on a quest to solve the mysteries of the Cretan paradox on this fifth episode of The Infinite Equation. So, the Cretan paradox is a logical and philosophical problem that arises from the self-referential statement made by a Cretan named Epimenides. The paradox is formulated as follows: all Cretans are liars. If we assume that Epimenides' claim is true, then he, being a Cretan, would also be a liar, which would make his claim false. On the other hand, if we assume that the statement is false, then there would be at least one Cretan who is not a liar, contradicting the original statement. This paradox raises interesting and intriguing questions about self-evaluation in logic and philosophy. It is similar to the liar's paradox, which is more general and occurs when someone makes a statement that implies their own falsehood. Now that we know what is the Cretan paradox, we will see, as always, from two different perspectives, one mathematical and the other one philosophical. In mathematical logic, the Cretan paradox is a prominent example of the difficulties that arise when a statement refers to itself. This paradox can be related to set theory and model theory. In set theory, paradoxes can be avoided by using methods such as the Zermelo-Fraenkel set theory, which establishes axioms to restrict the formation of sets. Furthermore, model theory can be used to study mathematical structures and evaluate the logical consistency of self-referential statements. The Cretan paradox highlights the importance of establishing solid logical foundations to avoid contradictions in mathematical reasoning. However, from a philosophical point of view, the Cretan paradox can be connected to epistemology and philosophy of language. It examines how claims about truth and falsehood can influence a culture's perceptions of itself. Moreover, it invites us to explore more general topics such as self-reference in thought and self-evaluation in epistemology. Philosophers have also addressed similar problems in the philosophy of mind, considering how individuals know themselves and how self-referential statements can affect the coherence of self-awareness. The Cretan paradox therefore provides fertile ground for philosophical reflections on the nature of knowledge and self-assessment. And so, dear listeners, we find ourselves at the crossroads of logic and philosophy, having journeyed through the intriguing lands of the Cretan paradox. Indeed, the Cretan paradox, with its mathematical and philosophical implications, serves as a reminder that the exploration of truth and self-reference is a perpetual odyssey. From the foundations of set theory to the complexities of human cognition, this paradox challenges to question, to reflect, and to embrace the mysteries that lie within our nature. As we step away from the paradox, let us carry with us the understanding that our journey into a realm of ideas is an ever-evolving narrative, one that requires us to grapple with the very nature of our statements, beliefs, and the truth we seek to unreveal. Thank you so much for joining us on this intellectual voyage. If you enjoyed today's exploration, stay tuned for more mind-bending discussions on infinite equation. Until next time, keep questioning, keep pondering, and may your minds continue to unfold the mysteries that make our existence truly fascinating. I hope you liked this episode and see you in the next one. Goodbye.